Hey guys, so this is my get ready with me. This is basically my everyday makeup. So I start out by washing my face and using the Josie Maran Argan Oil. And then I just take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and I apply that to my face and blend it out. I'm in the shade Porcelain, but I don't know if they have a different name for it. Then I just take my Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation in Fair, I think it is. It's one of the lightest shades. But yeah, I go pretty heavy-handed under the eyes because I have freckles under my eyes, so I try to blend that out and get rid of all the veins and stuff. And then I'm just taking my Evian mist and spraying my eyebrow pomade with it so it goes on smoother, and it really works, but you gotta be pretty light-handed with it. Yeah, I'm watching Just Kidding News, so I'm pretty sure Joe said something and I started cracking up, as you can see. It's really difficult to do makeup when you're watching Just Kidding News. It should be like a new challenge or something. So I turned my face side to side so I could see if one of my eyebrows looks funny, because when you take pictures it may be too boxy in the front or it might have a weird shape, so I just do that. And then I grab a spoolie and just run it through. And this is the e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I really like it, it's really cheap. Now I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the light one. And now I'm taking my Tarte Bling It On palette. This is a 2014 holiday palette, I think. And I'm just holding it up to see what shade I want. So I took the shade Fetching. It's like one of the mauve-y blushes. Next, this is the e.l.f. highlight. It's the pearl one. It's really cheap. I really like these highlights. They became my favorite really fast. They don't have like all those chunky glitters that other highlights I found have, so I really like that look. I just like a dewy finish. This is the Catrice eye highlight. You can get it at Ulta for like $1 or something. And this is the Maybelline Felt Tip Liner Pen. This is my favorite eyeliner pen to do a wing with, because I tried the L'Oreal one and the tip is way too harsh on my eyes. It wasn't a good feeling. So yeah, just chuckle like a little schoolgirl. I really like Just Kidding News now. They added Steve Green to the cast, so it's become way more funny and more opinionative. I can't talk. And then I'm just taking some more concealer on a brush, and this is my little cheat to how I get a decent wing. So yeah, I just rub off the excess that I don't want. Pretty self-explanatory. I really like this mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras. I was just yelling at my dog. She was barking. But I heard that other people didn't like it because it was too clumpy. But I just find that if you just use the very tips of the wand and don't go all the way through, then it really works good. And this is Kylie Cosmetics in Cocoa K Gloss. I don't really like the glosses as much as the matte because it transfers really crazy. I'd rather just prefer to buy the velvets, to be honest. Just removing that mascara spot and fixing my hair because I'm running out of time. When I was down the States, I wanted wispy bangs, but they went way too far back, so now I just have all these random strands. It's hard to make a hairstyle out of it, so I just have to use clips and hair ties and whatnot. But yeah, that was my Get Ready With Me.